Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday. Hey, don't do it.
హలో హాయ్ నమస్తే వెల్కమ్ టు అవర్ ఛానల్ నేను మీ అంజలి ఎస్ సలార్ సూపర్ డూపర్ హిట్ అయింది మనందరికీ తెలుసు అండ్ సలార్ లో అందరితో మనం మాట్లాడుతున్నాం కానీ వరదతో మాట్లాడిన తర్వాత చాలా మంది అడిగారు సో దేవా ఏం చేశాడు దేవాతో ఎందుకు మాట్లాడట్లేదు అని చెప్పేసి సో నేను కూడా దేవాతో మాట్లాడడానికి వచ్చేసాను కాకపోతే ఇలా మాట్లాడడానికి మాత్రమే కుదిరింది అనమాట సో వేర్ ఈజ్ దేవా అంటే ఎస్ దేవా ఈజ్ విత్ మీ సో దేవా పేరు ఒరిజినల్ పేరు వచ్చేసి విదేశ్ మనతో పాటు ఉన్నారు సో తనకి తమిళ్ మాత్రమే వచ్చు హాయ్
Hi,
How are you, Videsh?
I'm good. How are you?
It's good, Videsh or Deva?
Deva.
Okay. So, Deva, we will start our interview with a dialogue.
Okay.
Okay, chalo, action.
కోసం ఎర్రైనా అవుతా త్వరైనా అవుతా ఒక్కడి కోసం ఎప్పుడు పిలిచినా నేను ఇక్కడికి వస్తా
వచ్చే ఎప్పుడు వచ్చేసే come now. I'm calling you come now but I'm not Varada but still I'm calling you come now. Okay? Okay, super. First of all, congratulations. You just
Thank
get so many compliments are there and so many people are waiting for your interview in Tollywood, you know?
Yes.
Okay, so don't give me the answers with one word. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
In Tamil also, you tell what do you want to tell. Okay?
Okay.
Done. Just tell me, how do you enjoy your success of Sallar?
I'm very happy that I'm acting in a pan-Indian movie with Prashant sir and Prabhas Anna, Prithviraj Anna, Hasan Akka. I'm so happy. Ishwari auntie.
Okay. How did you get the opportunity to work in a Sallar?
They called me and I attended audition. So
Okay.
first I met Prashant sir, and after they told me to say my own dialogue. So they auditioned me. I told my own dialogue, and after that, my mom told that I don't know Telugu and Tamil and English only. And Prashant sir,
Okay.
request he selected me.
In Telugu also, you dubbed yourself or
No,
what?
no,
Another
only
person?
Tamil. Yes, only Tamil I dubbed.
Only Tamil you dub? Okay. So, you know, Kartikeya and you both are very good. Like, you know,
Yes.
so the, what we can say, the relationship between you and Kartikeya was what? Friendship in
Yes.
shooting time.
Uh, so one time with when sir says some things in Telugu, if I don't understand, Kartikeya will make me understand that in
Oh,
saying me easier. So
you both become a very good friends?
yes, what you seen in the movie, like that we are very close. He helped
Oh,
me more in shooting spot.
okay. So, apart from Solar movie, so do you learn Telugu? Any Telugu?
Yes, I'm now learning Telugu.
Okay. What was the first word that you learn in Telugu?
Ra. Ra means come. Yes.
రా బా ఎంత పెద్ద వర్డ్ నేర్చుకున్నాడో యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ వి సే ఇన్ తెలుగు
Yes, little bit now.
లిటిల్ బట్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ మిక్స్ విత్ ఇంగ్లీష్ యూ కెన్ అండర్స్టాండ్
Yes, yes.
ఓకే డన్ సో టెల్ సంథింగ్ అబౌట్ ప్రభాస్ గారు బికాస్ యు నో లైక్ హీఈస్ అ హల్క్ ఆఫ్ ద ఇండస్ట్రీ వీ కెన్ సే రైట్ సో
When,
యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్ చైల్డ్ వర్జన్ ఆఫ్ ప్రభాస్ గారు. So when you know for the first time you're doing like a child hero of Prabhas Garu, so how do you feel?
first, when I saw Prabhasana in set, I was little bit nervous.
Mm-hmm.
Little bit nervous, and I was happy that when they said I'm doing younger version of Prabhasana, I'm happy. And when I go to the set, I saw him. I was little bit nervous. because he's such a violent hero from Bahubali. Whichever movie we see him, it's a violent role film. Uh, so such a violent hero, if we see in front of us, yeah, everyone will be a little bit nervous now. So I'm also a little bit nervous, and Prabhasana did not speak like that much big hero. He was just speaking like a best friend. What will
Oh,
my friend uh, speak to me? How he will speak to me? Like that, Prabhasana will speak to
wow. You gave a new name to Prabhas Garu, violentical hero.
me.
So, uh, as we all know that Prabhas Garu always give chocolates to everyone, like every kid in the sets when he act with the kids. So, did he ever give you any chocolate to you?
No, no. The way he speaks, uh, the way he speaks to us is itself gives us chocolate, gives like this.
Wow. You become a very good hero in the industry. Why? You know why?
Why? Why?
Because you are giving the answers very diplomatically. That's why. Okay, when you saw for the first time in 70 like like in a pan India film, movie, super scene starts with you only.
Yes.
So what's your personal feeling and personal, like Deva, after seeing the Deva, Videsh, how Videsh feels?
First, I watched the movie Salar in Tamil Nadu. When I first entered the um, theater, first it was my seat. The people were very cheerful and cheering up because in that much a pan Indian movie, the people are cheering for my scene is I was so happy to the core that which I can't
Okay.
see.
Yeah. So how was the experience? Just tell me, like a first day experience with Prabhas Garu, Prithviraj Garu, and Prashant Neel Garu. So ఎలా అనిపించింది? What is your experience and how was the first experience?
Actually, when I saw Prashant sir at first, I was so nervous, so nervous because he is the biggest director, he's a pan Indian director. When I saw him, I was nervous. So uh, I thought that he will not speak with us as much friendly like that. But sir was very friendly and he gave that gap. So he felt he made me feel so happy there and gave me that much space. So
Okay.
there in that place I was free to free to act.
Okay. Okay. So నీవేమైనా scenes cut అయ్యాయా? Did any scenes that cut you already done it, but in editing they cut it? Any scenes?
No, no major scenes, all major scenes. Okay.
All major scenes are there. I think you are chubby at that time. Shooting period, you are little more
Yes,
chubby, right?
yes, yes, yes.
So you are becoming thin for another movie or for what?
No, no. Sometimes weight losses. No.
Acha, acha. So for this movie or else, what is your
Yes,
upcoming projects?
Singapore Salon. It's a Tamil movie. It's RJ Balaji. And do you know Kashmora movie?
Okay,
Karthi Anna.
Kashmir movie.
Yes, that film director Gokul Uncle and RJ Balaji Anna, younger version of RJ Balaji Anna.
Okay, okay. So, who is your favorite hero in Tollywood? No, don't tell me that Prabhas Anna is there. Okay, so
Prabhas
tell
Anna.
me. Hey, it's not a bite. It's cheating. I'm not accepting that Prabhas Anna. Prabhas Anna, you are not. You are junior Prabhas Anna.
I love Prabhas Anna.
Aha.
I like him so much because the first movie I saw in theater was Bahubali 2. I thought that how much violent he is. If before I'm going to Salar itself, I thought that if we do his younger version, we should do 100% the best because
Oh,
he will always do the best. Now, if we do his younger version, we should do the best. And
Okay. Just-
Prashant sir, the way he tells us how to do, uh, that way we will go into the story. Uh, so Prashant sir and the whole team helped me a lot to to be
Character.
in that yes, in that character, being in that character.
So, Prithviraj Anna, like Prithviraj Garu was also very important character, and you
Yes,
both are the friends, like, so off the sets, they will talk to you any memorable moment with Prithviraj Garu or Prabhas Garu.
actually I didn't have a combination with Prithvi Rajanna, and I had combination with Prabhasanna, that when at the first day I had started with Prabhasanna, that I was little bit nervous of seeing both of them, Prashant sir and Prabhasanna. After finishing my first shot, that montage when I'm crossing Prabhasanna, that finished, Prashant sir told perfect, like that. And after
Okay.
Prashant sir told that you should not put weight and you should manage the same weight like that. For that, Prabhasana came and told that don't drink water, don't drink milk, jam, butter, don't
Yo.
breathe out, just
Oh, yo.
be like this, like that.
Okay. How many days you shoot Salar? How many days?
10 to 15 days.
10 to 15 days. You know that so many people are there, they are spending 1 year of time for shooting for Salar.
Yes. Uh,
Okay. I forgot to ask one thing. That was the first scene, like when you just hold the wire,
yes.
first fight scene. So, the experience of that sequence, just tell me once.
First, Prashant sir told me that we should hold like this. If what Prashant sir says us, we should exactly do that. Or else we don't know that how many shots will go on. If we do that, what Prashant sir is telling perfectly, in shot is okay. Or else how many takes will go, we can't just say.
How many takes you take for that scene?
That wire holding is 3 takes I got.
Three
3 takes.
takes. Oh, double minute taglaya. Did you hurt?
No, no.
No, no. So, I have a one question that you are very like anger person in that movie. Like Deva was very anger. So, and Ishwari Rao Garu, like who played your mother character. So off screen, how she treated both of you and Kartikeya? How?
She was very kindly speaking with us. Actually, Ishwari auntie know Tamil, so what Prashant sir says, do you in that song with
Suride.
both of us, Sorede Kodukupatti, that song, no? Uh, First, Ishwari auntie will first give to Kartikeya and give to me. That Kartikeya will take that rice
Ha,
and
food.
he will just run off. So Prashant sir told you should go there. You should just catch up him. Like that, sir told. Sometimes sir will say in Telugu that Ishwari auntie will convey it to me and say it that in Tamil. So it will be
Oh,
more easier for us.
oh, superb. So apart from Prabhas Garu, which hero you love to act with him? Apart from
In,
Prabhas Garu. You can't tell Prabhas sir's name. You have to tell another hero, anyone
okay.
in Tollywood.
Uh, Hollywood.
Hmm.
Every hero, all hero I want to do.
It's a diplomatic answer, Abba. You can't do like this. You have to tell one hero's name that like, Akka, I just love to do this heroes like a child hero. Like Prabhas is a pan-India star, but apart from Prabhas Garu,
Nagesh Babu Anna.
Mahesh Babu Anna. Why Mahesh
And
Babu
Allu
Garu?
Arjun Anna. And Allu Arjun Anna.
Okay, why
I
Mahesh Babu? Why Allu Arjun?
Uh, I like both of them.
Both
So
of them you like.
their style, and their style I like the most. So that
Okay.
I
So,
like.
if you get a chance to do a movie of a sequel of any movie, like Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, whatever is that. So, what movie you love to do a sequel or a remake? Like as
But
you hero.
me hero. I don't have any idea.
You don't have any idea.
Can you just repeat the question?
Actually, I'm asking. So there are so many movies that you love to watch, right? So I'm just asking if you get a chance to do a sequel of your favorite movie as you lead. So what was
Bahubali.
the movie?
Bahubali. Salar. Yes.
Bahubali Salar. Only Prabhas sir's movie.
You know, I like the most I like the movie is Bahubali in Prabhas and Nair.
Bahubali and Prabhas. Anna. Prabhas is a god for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. So apart from Salar, what was your upcoming projects?
Singapore Saloon, RJ Balaji and a younger version.
Yeah. You told me, right? So what's your
Kashmora
hobbies?
hobbies that I need to learn. First, I need to learn Telugu. That's my first hobby.
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
now learning Telugu.
I hope when we met directly, you will speak in a Telugu.
Yes, I will. I will learn fast Telugu.
Okay. So after complete the movie and releasing the movie, do you ever contact with any of your friends like in movie, Kartikeya or Roshan, anyone?
We will Kartikeya. We will speak.
Mhm.
Uh, yes. We have me and Kartikeya, my mom and Kartikeya's mom. They will speak.
You four people have become a very good friends, like you both and your mothers both. Okay. So what is your favorite food in Hyderabad?
Biryani, biryani.
Biryani. You know how to cook biryani?
Uh, Not Telangana biryani, but Tamil Nadu biryani little bit. Yes, I love
Hey,
Telangana biryani. The taste, I love it.
తెలంగాణ బిర్యానీ. తెలంగాణ బిర్యానీ అంటే వేరే లెవెల్ అసల. సో, so you love Prabhas sir, right? So there is a dialogue in Bahubali.
Hmm.
So, will you tell for us
Yes,
in
can you
Telugu
please
or
tell?
Tamil?
You tell once you tell in Telugu, I will just repeat it.
ఓకే. నేను బుక్ మొత్తం చూసుకోవాలి. ఐ డోంట్ రిమెంబర్ ద డైలాగ్ అబ్బా! సో యూ
Which
జస్ట్ టెల్ మీ.
dialogue?
యాహ్!
Which dialogue?
తెలుగు, తమిళ్ మిక్స్ ఎంత వరకు లైక్ తెలుగు, తమిళ్ మిక్స్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ డైలాగ్. నీకు ఎంత వరకు గుర్తుందో అంతవరకు చెప్పు. Okay, come on. A perfect dialogue of Bahubali by R. Videsh Deva. Come on.
Amarendra Bahubali Asiyanan.
అమరేంద్ర బాహుబలి అను నేను. అంతే కదా?
Amarendra Bahubali, yes, that's it. That.
Okay. But believe me, Videsh, when I saw you for the first time, like you're doing Prabhas sir's character, I was like, कहाँ से लेके आए इस बंदे को? From
Yes.
where you find such a person who just match each and everything with Prabhas garu, right?
Okay.
Okay, chalo. Just I will ask one question. You have to tell me. Okay. Promise
Okay.
me that you tell me the true only.
Promise.
Okay, chalo. So, what was your remuneration for the Salar?
Uh, I
Ah,
can't hear.
I
Mind
can't.
disabled.
అమ్మో
Mind disabled.
ఎంత తెలివితేటలున్న అబ్బాయి అసలు రెమ్యునరేషన్ గురించి అంటే అక్క వినిపించట్లేదంట. ఓకే, సో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ డ్రీమ్ క్యారెక్టర్ విదేశ్?
To do more Prabhasana younger version and do more films with Prabhasana.
Only Prabhas garu is a god for you, right? Only Prabhas as junior version, only Prabhas sir's like movies like a Prabhas sir. From
He's
which
such a
age you just
stylish person. Such a
sorry?
stylish person. Such a
Such a
person with
stylish
style.
person.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. When will you come to Hyderabad?
Soon.
Soon?
As possible.
I'm waiting. You have to come and we will talk so many things as live. Okay?
Okay.
So, okay, done. In Telugu, did you get any projects?
Yes, that officially they will announce.
Oh, but you
Officially.
get, it's not official, but you get the opportunities.
They will officially
Audition?
announce.
for auditions or what?
That only I will officially announce. They will announce.
You're very conscious, very conscious. You're not telling in a one thing also. Okay. So Salar is a big project, and will we expect that you are in a part 2 also?
That you should see in part two. You should see in part two.
In part
I'm
2.
also expecting. I'm also expecting.
Or there are any scenes that cut, or every scenes are there? You worked with it.
Major scenes, everything came in part one.
Hmm. I think if you are in a part 2, you are also, matlab, you have to put on weight also, right?
Yes, little bit. I think. Little
Malli
bit.
in weight పెరగాలి. Okay. Any other thing that you want to sell about Salar? One word, your
One word.
experience, your. Mm.
Wonderful experience working with Prashant sir, Prabhas Anna, the whole team. Because I don't know Telugu, Prakash Anna, co-director, Anna will give me dialogues before the shot itself. So it will be much easier for me to practice the dialogue.
Okay, chalo. So, Videsh, we will go for a rapid fire. Okay.
Okay.
So, I will say hero's name. If you could get a chance to take a quality of hero, what quality you want to take it from them? Okay.
Okay.
Did you get my point?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Chalo. A small rapid fire with our Deva. సో దేవా శౌర్యంగా సో దాంతో మాట్లాడి ఒక చిన్న ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ తెలుసుకుందాం అనమాట. సో ఓకే, స్టార్టింగ్ విత్ ద మోస్ట్ ఫేవరెట్ హీరో ఆఫ్ యోర్స్, ప్రభాస్ గారు.
Everything. Everything. His style, his walk, dance, everything. Everything.
ఎవ్రీథింగ్. ఓకే. పృథ్వీరాజ్ గారు.
Suraj Anna, his acting. His
యాక్టింగ్.
acting.
విజయ్ దేవరకొండ గారు.
His style.
స్టైల్. ఓకే. అల్లు అర్జున్ గారు.
Dance. Style. And that.
మహేష్ బాబు గారు.
His dance.
డాన్స్. ఓకే. సూర్య గారు.
Suryana, his acting.
డిడ్ యూ ఎవర్ యాక్ట్ విత్ సూర్య గారు?
Yes, younger version of Suryana I did in E.T. Younger version of Suryana.
ఓ, యంగ్ వర్జన్ ఆఫ్ సూర్య అన్న. సో how he treat people's like you on sets? Any memorable moment with Surya garu?
Yes, he will just speak like he will just speak like a friend and he will talk friendly.
Okay. So Karthi garu.
Then his kindness.
Okay. And you worked with Karthi garu, right?
Yes, upcoming movie.
Upcoming movie. Already schedules have done or what?
Yes.
Already schedules have done. So he's very funny on sets. We all know that. So he's very funny with you also.
Yes. He's like Prabhasana, how he speaks fun with us. He will also just speak.
Okay. He ever crack jokes on you? He ever?
Yes. That I will say in next interview.
ఓకే. సో తిను కార్తిక్ గారితో కూడా యాక్ట్ చేశారు అండ్ అప్కమింగ్ మూవీ అన్నమాట. సో ఆయన గురించి ఏమైనా చెప్పు అని అంటే అక్క నేను నెక్స్ట్ ఇంటర్వ్యూలో చెప్తా అంటున్నాడు. ఓకే, ష్యూర్ విదేశ్. అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ కమల్ హాసన్ గారు.
His acting. Yes.
విక్రమ్ చియాన్.
Sian Vikram. His acting, his style.
తలపతి విజయ్ గారు.
All everything. His style.
I think you admire him.
Pardon?
I think you admire him, right?
Oh, really?
I think you admire him. One of your interview you said about Talapati Vijay garu.
Yes.
Yeah. What was that? Just tell
I
for
like
us.
him so much. Like him so much, and I love him so much.
Okay. So, do you have any fanboy moment with any of actor?
Uh,
No. Till now, no.
no.
Okay. So, what is your dream role?
Same role. to do with Prabhas Anna, Talapati.
ఆల్రెడీ డన్. ప్రభాస్ అన్న డన్.
Many more
తలపతి
movies.
గారు yet to
Yes,
be.
yes. To do.
Okay.
It's my, how to say, it's my wish to do next movies with Talapati.
Okay. Chiranjeevi garu, from Chiranjeevi garu, what do you want to take? One quality.
It's different style of acting and his style.
Okay. So just tell me one Telugu movie apart from Bahubali. Just tell me one Telugu movie that you watch.
I will say more Telugu movies.
Mhm.
More Telugu.
From here or else before also.
Before itself, I watched many more Telugu movies now also.
Okay. So Salar was not a first project of your Telugu. Before you did any Telugu movie, ఏమైనా Telugu movies
No,
చేసావా?
no, this is my first Telugu movie.
Oh, superb. So you got a very good response for your first project. Touch wood. So thank you so much, Tamu. And I'm eagerly waiting to meet you for like lively. And it's really nice to talk with you. So finally, do you want to do something for our viewers?
Yes. Can I say some dialogue from Salar? From
Sure.
Salar. Which dialogue do you want to say? I want to say
Any
which
dialogue is fine. Any dialogue is
say.
fine. First one is okay, done. That mukku
Well,
poga. Mukku pogu. When you win the fight, na, after that you will say one dialogue. That warning. సో ఎస్ ఇప్పుడైతే మన దేవా వచ్చేసి ఒక అదిరిపోయే డైలాగ్ మనకి చెప్పి వినిపిస్తాడనమాట. ఇన్ తెలుగు రైట్?
Yes.
తెలుగులో చెప్పి వినిపిస్తాడంట మన విదేశ్. సో కమ్ ఆన్ విదేశ్, యాక్షన్.
మళ్ళీ వాడి ముక్కు పొగ ముట్టుకుంటే ఈసారి నా చేతుల్లో కరెంటు తీగ కాదు, కరెంటు పోల్ ఉంటుంది. వదరా.
ఓకే చలో బై. Oh my God. You know, like Telugu, you don't know Telugu, but you just nailed it. తెలుగు తెలియకపోయినా అబ్బాయి ఆ డైలాగ్ మాత్రం అద్రగొట్టేసావు. సో విదేశ్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ ఫ్యూచర్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ అండ్
Thank-
వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ.
Okay.
So we wish and I wish that personally and from bottom of my heart, so you should do so many projects with Prabhas Garu and with
Yes.
all heroes. Thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. And it's really nice to meet with you. Bye bye. Give me a high five.
Bye.
Okay. So, yes, that's all for today. మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కలుసుకుందాం అండ్ వెరీ సూన్ మా విదేశ్ ది లైవ్ లో కూర్చొని ఇంటర్వ్యూ అయితే పక్కాగా చేస్తానని చెప్పి మాట ఇస్తున్నాను మిత్రమా. సో మళ్ళీ ఇంకో ఇంటర్వ్యూలో కలుసుకుందాం. అప్పటి వరకు టాటా బాయ్, సైనింగ్ ఆఫ్.